Alright, today we're going to be cleaning a glass cooktop. We got this glass cooktop cleaner and polish from this company, Wyman. This kit came with a scraper as well, and then this scrubbing buffing pad. So the first step I'm going to do is just wipe off this area with a wet paper towel. You can see this one's a little bit neglected, so should be a good example. Alright, and we're just gonna dry that off. Next, I'm just gonna pour this right on top of the cooktop. And then what we're going to do is work this in, and then after we work it in and get the spots off, then we just buff it with a clean paper towel and it'll polish up really nicely. So I'm just going to start working this in first with the paper towel. So we'll see how much we can get off with just the paper towel, and if we need to use the scrubbing pad and the scraper as well. It's going to depend how much caked on stuff is on there already. So as you can see, quite a bit of gunk is coming off. It's pretty dirty. I can see that where the lines are, where there was grease cooked on before, it's starting to come off. So I probably used a little bit too much, but that's okay. I want to clean the rest of it too, so I'll just spread it out. But just for this example, we'll just focus on this area. I'm just gonna spread this out and to the rest of the oven, cooktop. Just use a little bit of extra elbow grease where you see the caked on spot. So those couple spots just didn't come off with the paper towel. It almost got everything. So then I'm just going to switch to the scrubbing pad now and see if we can just scrub those off. I'm just going to put a little bit of extra cleaner right on the front of the pad where I want to push that in. And we've nearly got it. Definitely have to give some elbow grease to get it, but you can see those spots are almost gone, and just this one left here. I'm just doing back and forth with the scrubbing brush until I get that off. That looks pretty good. Oh, we've got one just along the edge here. So you can just work this in wherever you see anything caked on. Alright. Now I'm just gonna buff that with the dry paper towel. And you can definitely get all of these little spots out, but just for this example, I'm just focusing on this one burner and showing you that you can pretty quickly and easily get it looking pretty nice and shiny again. So I'll just keep buffing it with the paper towel and all shiny and polished. Not 100%, but in a couple more minutes of working at it with the scrubber, you could get all these tiny little spots as well, and this looks a whole lot better. So I hope this was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.